Welcome to this moment of peace. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This time is just for you to reset, to recharge, and to fill your mind with calm, loving energy. Let's begin. I am calm, centered, and grounded. I radiate peace and positivity wherever I go. I trust the flow of life and all that it brings. I am worthy of love, joy, and deep inner peace. With each breath, I release stress and welcome calm. I choose thoughts that nurture and uplift me. My heart is open and my mind is clear. I am aligned with the energy of peace and purpose. Today, I am patient, kind, and present. Everything I need is already within me. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. You are ready to carry this calm energy into the rest of your day. Thank yourself for taking time to tune in, to slow down, and to choose peace. You are doing beautifully. Remember, you can come back to this space whenever you need it. Take care and keep shining.